Hi everyone, this is my Google Drive. I shared these files with people, but Google applied new security updates. The people can't access these uh, files without my permissions. So when someone click on shared links, every time I got this type of message. So requesting access to a file or an old link, which is no longer valid due to security update. So I always get in these type of emails because I share a lot of files from Google Drive. After Google security updates, the people cannot access those files. So I am going to fix this issue. So if you got these type of emails, you can go to a bottom part of this email. So there is the text. To stop getting requests like this, you can click this remove link. Then the file will be loaded. Yeah, then you can see the apply security update. There's a tick mark, so I can untick this uh, tick marks. So remove security update. Okay, now I am going to remove security update. Okay, click remove. Okay, you can check the these things. uh, these things should be everyone with links. Then you can untick this apply security update. Okay, you can do this for the single files. So I have shared a lot of documents here. So I want to check the Google security update, how will affect this file. So now I am going to check which file affected Google security update, and then I want to remove the security update. I want to give access the public to this file. So I will show you how to search multiple files which affected by Google security update. Okay, then you can search. You can search here. Type this is security update applied, then enter. Then you can find those files which Google security updated. Okay, so now you can manually adjust settings of this file. So you can click on share. Then you can change this one to change anyone. Okay, then you can remove the Google security updates. Remove security update. Click remove. Okay, uh, there are a lot of files which affected by Google security update. You can manually remove those files one by one. So demonstration, I will just remove the security update from only one file. So if you want to check after removing security updates, uh, then you can copy this search term security update removed. Yeah, then you can see the files which you removed security updates. You can use these techniques to remove Google security update. Otherwise you will receive this type of email always. There are many emails. The reason for that emails, Google applied new security update. The security update affected to the your files, then viewers or public can't access those files. That is why you got this uh, message from Google. So you can use these techniques to remove the security update and give access to public to access your file. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can comment below.